name is Jeanette. I'm from South Africa. I've just finished the TEFL 120-hour online teaching certificate. I've done 4 years nursing through the Nursing Council of South Africa, and it was general nursing and midwife. After that, I've done 2 degrees through the University of South Africa. The first one was administration, and the next one was teaching. After that, I went to the University of Pretoria, and then I did staff management and labor. And the last 2 years, I was doing private teaching for students and learners. It was fantastic. Myself, I did a third language, and I enjoyed it. It was sometimes difficult, but it's not impossible. My style is patience, and I'm setting goals. My goals is grammar, verbs, tenses, pronunciations, vocabulary, reading. And when we reach our goals, we celebrate and we've got fun. So, if you like to go with me and embark on the English learning journey, you can contact me anytime. I'm waiting for you, and contact me. Thank you very much and have a lovely day. Goodbye.